Hey guys, and welcome to the next video. Today we will look at how to use the time remap function in Adobe Premiere. So the first thing you need to do is you need to drag your footage to the timeline. So here I can see that this footage is, at least a minute in length, and this is just some drone footage that I took earlier. And so I want to be able to speed that up pretty much. Now you can do that by using the time remapping function in Adobe Premiere. So to do that, you right click on the little FX sign, you go to time remapping, and then you go to speed. Now there should be a line that you can see inside of your clip, and if you can't see the line, what you need to do is you have to make this section bigger and smaller. So once you've done that and you can actually see the line, you need to click on the selection tool, and now you can actually speed up the clip. So if I put it to 400%, I can see I've cut it down from 1 minute to only now 16 seconds. Alright, now there are some other things that we can do, because this is applying the time remap to the whole clip. If you only want to do sections of it, you can actually use the pen tool and click on certain points. So if I click on those 2 points, and then if I hold control in between those 2 sections, I can, spread out and make that section a little bit slower than the other sections. Or I can add another point, and then go to my selection tool, and I can start to draw these it's like a gradual build up. So now you can see that it's slowing down, and it gets to its slowest speed, and then it will go back up to whichever speed that you want. So, and that's about it really. So anyways guys, I hope you've learned how to use time remap on Adobe Premiere, and I'll see you next time.